Hello, everyone. Welcome to another lecture on auricular medicine. This is our seventh of 24. And today we're going to hone our skills in the five element theory. So let's start the ball rolling with somebody from Pagadian, Zamboanga del Sur. Let's welcome Sir Edison na gusto pang
Ah,
lalong gumaling yung kanyang skill. And I'm definitely
hapon sa tanan.
ngayong hapon. Okay, let's go. What are the five movements that symbolize the five elements?
Ah, expansive, contractive, downward, tapos upward, and then neutrality.
Okay, so this is actually general, no? So this movement is actually specific. Each of the movements is specific for a particular element. What are the five seasons that symbolize the five elements?
Ah, ito ko, spring, summer, tapos late summer, tapos autumn, at saka winter.
Good, easy. Okay, let's talk about the vertical axis from bottom to top of the cosmological sequence. This is the symbol of, actually, this will be our
Ang
next,
sim-
no, or next week. This is so important, okay?
ah, Kondok, ang symbol of essence, tapos sa key, at saka sa mind.
Okay, so the at the bottom of the axis is essence, no? Or the jing. And then we have the chi, and then on top is the mind or the shen. What does the overacting sequence mean?
Ah, aside sa nakuan ko sa, it is one element become excessive in relation to the other.
Okay, as you can see from the diagram, the overacting or Chang cycle is um as you can see, two arrows, no? For example, there's just too much water controlling the fire. So what will happen to the fire? Walang-wala na yung fire. So this is as defined by um, Sir Edison. One element becomes excessive in relation to the other. So definitely this is pathological, no? Okay, like, can you imagine too much wood? This will affect the earth, diba? The taste related to water is what?
Salty doc.
Taste related to fire.
It is bitter,
Yes. Taste related to wood.
and the wood is sour.
Yes. Taste related to metal.
Metal is pungent.
Okay. Taste related to earth.
Earth is sweet sa doc.
Yes. Okay. So here you could see the Zhang Fu equivalent of the elements, no? So I don't think we need to really tell everyone when you say wood, we're actually referring to the liver, no? Fire is heart, earth is spleen, metal is lung, water is kidney. So can you mention a pattern or a symptom of the wood affecting the fire? No? So like um okay, so let's say there is a problem with the wood element, which is liver. Will this also affect the fire, which is the heart? So in that case, can you give us the pattern that will eventually result from this impact?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Kung sa doc, hard blood deficiency.
Yes, heart blood deficiency. Why? Because if the mother, in this case, the mother is liver, no? Of course, if the mother is not supportive, it will affect the son, which is the heart. So the resulting condition would be heart blood deficiency. Okay? Okay. If you're going to actually explore further, no? I hope this makes sense. A lot of people now, they don't even sleep before 1 a.m. or before 11 p.m. Sometimes they would stay up until 3 a.m. Diba? During the pandemic, you remember. That's why a lot of people had issues who had already issues with the heart. They get a heart attack, no? So when you have blood deficiency, you will not be able to sleep immediately. You will have difficulty sleeping. But the moment you get to sleep, it's tuloy-tuloy. It's continuous. Okay? So that's just an example. If a person has a green complexion, what could be indicated? Name three.
Uh, kung siya, Dok, key stagnation, and then blood stasis, at saka chronic pain.
Okay, so this is all about the liver being affected because we all know that the liver color is green. So if there is stagnation, so you expect the green to be so prominent, no? Um, Chi stagnation and blood stasis, chronic pain, these are the three indications of the green complexion. Bitter taste goes to one. So if you eat a lot of bitter food, this will go to where?
Bitter taste goes to what? Bones, Doc.
Okay. So don't eat too much bitter food if you don't want your bones to be affected. What about sweet taste?
Some muscles, Doc.
Muscles. That's why the muscles will be flabby or atrophy if you are very into sweets. Pungent taste will scatter what vital substance?
Uh, Muscato sa is yung key.
Yeah, the chi. So you will have chi deficiency. No? If you eat too much pungent food, this will make you devoid of energy. No? Salty taste dries what vital substance?
Yung blood natin, Doc.
Very good, blood.
Blood.
That's why I think this is very understand. This is easy to understand, no? If you love salty food, it actually removes the water from the blood, so you end up with blood that is very dry, no? Very sticky. The correspondence that is most important to the five element scheme of diagnosis.
Siyempre yung color niya, Doc.
Color. So you need to be able to see the color, no? The five transporting points, these are also called the five shoe points, include points between the what and what.
Uh, Aside sa nabasa ko is it is fingers and elbows at saka toes at knees.
Yes. Yeah. So just like this one, no? Actually, if you're going to study all the five shoe or the five transporting points, you can already treat a patient. Okay, those are very, very important. And each of these transporting points also represents an element. So if there are five transporting points to each channel and there are 12 channels, so you will be able to be familiar with 60 points. Diba? According to the five element theory, a sour taste accompanies what?
Uh, Liver disharmonies.
So if you have liver imbalance, liver disharmony, you will always have this peculiar craving for sour food, sour taste. Yung ano mo maasim. Next, define the generating sequence that is out of balance. Or when is the generating sequence out of balance? We all know that the
Uh,
creation cycle or the generation cycle is the mother and son. So when do you mother and son relationship, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Mother is always supposed to feed or to nourish the son. What happens to the mother and son relationship when the generating or creation cycle is out of balance?
Uh, conduct when the mother element is not nourishing the child element.
Very good. Because the mother is doesn't have funds or the mother is not healthy. No? So earlier we mentioned an example, um, wood and fire. Wood is liver, fire is heart. So if the wood, syempre, di ba? If there's not much wood, how can you create fire? So wood is liver. So if the liver is not healthy, you expect the heart to be also not healthy, right? So this is when the mother element is not nourishing the child element. Rancid smell, what does it indicate?
Stagnation of heat in liver.
Yes. Okay, so if you smell someone that smells that, rancid, you have to treat the liver. If a person has a yellow complexion, what happens here?
Uh, the earth in insulting at saka dampness retention.
Okay, I think we all know that if you have an issue with the liver, you will have jaundice, right? Okay, the color of the liver is green. So, what explains the yellow complexion? Anyone? Mm.
From the gallbladder.
Yeah, the liver and the gallbladder. But the color should be green, diba? So, which means that if the liver is weak, right? If the liver is weak, if the wood is weak, it cannot control the earth. Earth is yellow. So when
Mhm.
the one controlling is unable to control, he will be controlled by the controllee, right? Yes.
Mhm.
So the liver is weak. Let's say the patient has cirrhosis of the liver, or you have jaundice. So the color that will appear is not green, but yellow, because this time um the 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 earth is the one insulting. Diba? So it's now insulting. Diba? Supposedly, the wood is supposed to control the earth, but the wood is weak. So if the controller is weak, he will be insulted by the controllee. No? Yes. And so dampness will be retained. Okay. That's why if you've seen liver patients, they have dampness, right? Hmm. Okay, a singing tone in the voice indicates what, Sir Edison?
It is balance in earth element.
Yes. So even if you, diba, okay, I'm not so sure, but I think there's a place in the Visayas that the people there have a singing, the voice of the people have a singing tone. I'm not so sure lang, but I love listening to them. So even if you're not from the Visayas, so probably if you have a singing tone in your voice, you have an earth imbalance. Okay. So what would you do as a clinician if the liver deficiency is affecting the heart? Do you remember the
Yeah.
example earlier? Yes. The liver is weak. If the liver is weak, it will definitely affect the heart because heart is fire. So, what are you going to do? If the mother
Uh,
is
con-
weak, the son will be affected. So what are we supposed to do with the son or with the mother or anything? Excuse me.
Aside sa kwan ko dok toni tonify the fire and wood or tonify sa spleen.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes. Do you agree? Yeah, there should be enough fire. Tonify the fire and wood. Of course, you have to tonify the wood for you to have fire, di ba? Can you imagine if you don't have wood, you can never create fire. Or you tonify the spleen. By the way, the spleen
Mhm.
and the heart, they have a sort of a mutual relationship. Remember, the heart is the mother of the spleen. Okay? So if the spleen is weak, meaning it is very damp, it cannot produce Gucci, remember? Mm. It cannot produce the food essence. So what happens? You will not be able to, this will affect the heart. Okay.
Mhm.
So usually the combination would be spleen Qi deficiency with heart blood deficiency. That is very common in the clinic. Next, Sir Edison, what is the consequence of wood excess? So in this case, you have the scenario of a very, very strong wood element. Earlier, we were talking about a very weak wood element. Now, what happens when the wood is very strong in excess?
Uh, Overacting on spleen.
Yes, because um, this is now pathological. Normally, listen everyone, the wood
Mhm.
controls the earth, right? However, if the wood is too strong, very in excess because it has generated heat, okay, because of stagnation, this will weaken the spleen. So that is no longer physiological, it's already pathological. Okay? So you know what happens when the spleen becomes overwhelmed. Okay? Metal engenders or creates what element, Sir Edison?
Water, Doc.
Water. Metal is what organ, Sir Edison? Lung, right? And water is what organ?
Mhm.
Kidney. What is the movement of wood? You mentioned about the five movements. Now let's talk about the individual movements. Wood,
So yung kwan sa lima kanina, ay expansion, Doc.
expansion. What is the movement of fire?
Upward siya.
What is the movement of earth?
Neutral siya, Doc.
Okay, or
Neutral.
stable. What is the movement of metal?
Uh, Metal is ako contraction siya, Doc.
So this is opposite to liver, to wood, di ba? Wood is expanding, metal is contracting, right? What is the movement of water?
Downward, Doc.
Okay, what element has an upward movement? Yung kanina. Fire, di ba?
Fire.
So who will be partners this time? Like opposite. Fire is what organ? Those who know the answer.
Heart. Heart.
Heart.
Water is
Kidney.
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 So every time there is an imbalance in the water, you should always take a look at the fire, right? Because there's such thing as fire not communicating with water. Ganon. Okay? If wood is expanding, what element is contracting?
Metal.
Metal.
Lang.
So lung, and, di ba? Okay, what happens when you're angry?
Mhm.
Or
Liver
when you're
tayo.
stressed, di ba? You also have cough?
Yes.
Yeah.
Swollen top.
Yes. What is the season of wood? Sir Edison,
Spring siya, Doc.
spring. What is the season of fire?
Summer.
Season of earth.
Ah, late summer.
Season of metal.
Tapos malamig sa autumn.
Falling leaves pa yan, di ba? Lumalamig na. Season of water. Ewan ko. Let's ask somebody from France. Madam M.
Yes, Doc.
How do
Yes, Doc.
how is autumn in? Di ba lumalamig na?
Lumalamig, windy, dry, and malapit. Usually October.
Okay.
October nag-start na siya. So, kasi September, mid ng summer doon at saka ng ano ng wind. Papunta na ng autumn. So,
Wow.
falling leaves. So,
Yes.
halos wala
Autumn
ng
leaves.
humidity pero malamig.
Malamig siya.
Malamig. Tapos, laging basa pero laging basa yung soil
Yeah. Thank you
sa
so much.
madaling araw.
Wow. So do you miss
Damp
France?
na damp. Ay, hindi. Ayoko na malamig.
Is it true that
Meron akong
when it's
aversion to.
cold, you get more depressed, no?
Depressive masyadong gloomy. Doon po kasi, pag masyadong malamig, ang tendency kasi, hindi sila makapagsuot ng fashion. Na ano sila, na depress. Hindi
Okay.
nila magawa yung gusto nila.
Okay.
And kaya gustong-gusto nila ng dark color kasi pag pag maputi ka kasi, ibig sabihin hindi ka lumalabas ng bahay, ibig sabihin wala kang perang pang bakasyon.
Okay.
Ayun, pagka may pera ka, nagbabakasyon ka, umiitim ka, may pera ka, kaya mas gusto nila pag dark ang color mo.
At tumatago ka na lang. But you cannot also cut down the woods, di ba? The wood,
Hindi,
because they're owned by the government. So
hindi, bawal doon.
how
Bawal
do
na
you keep
bawal.
yourself warm during winter?
Eh, ano, warmer sa sheets, sa bed.
Heater?
May bed heater.
With heater, and how is the electricity? It's expensive, di ba?
Hindi naman, kasi subsidized ng government doon eh.
Ah, okay.
Hindi katulad dito na talagang 100% babayaran ng user, ng consumer.
Okay. But again, you don't
Hmm.
want to go back to France.
Hindi.
I have viewers from
Ano
France.
weather doon. At saka wala namang magandang lugar doon. Wala namang magandang
Ala,
unless nandun sa may bandang Mediterranean. Eh, ang layo-layo namin sa
I have
Mediterranean
subscribers
kasi
from France.
East Coast kami.
They might stop subscribing.
Mm-mm. East, yeah. Hindi kasi northeast kami, malapit kami sa Germany. Eh, yung
Okay.
maganda we're in Metz.
You also speak
Eh,
German.
no, hindi ako marunong.
Okay.
Hindi ako marunong. French lang.
Okay.
Old French. Kasi iba yung French ng Canada, iba yung French sa France talaga.
Yeah.
Iba rin yung sa center ng France at sa iba rin yung sa south.
Yes.
Sa south is like, yun nga, yung mga sa Corsica, sa Lyon, ganun, iba.
Wow. Thank you so much, Madam M. Thank you for the
Opo.
info. Now let's continue. Sir, uh, Sir Edison, what happens when the heart is affecting the liver? So, in other words, what happens when the child is affecting the mother? So, what is the usual scenario? If the if the son is asking too much from the mother, what will that make of the mother? The mother is the liver. Magastos. The son is magastos. Hingi ng hingi ng pera. What do you think will happen to the mother, which is the liver?
Aside sa pagkuhan ko, Doc, it can cause liver blood deficiency.
Okay.
Liver blood.
How many of you were able to experience numbness, tingling sensation of the feet? No? Mm.
Before.
Pag ano po, naiipit yung paa.
Yeah. How many of you would experience, especially upon waking up in the morning, your visual is so malabo, you have blurry vision. It takes a time
Ay,
for you to
ako.
be able to see clearly. So you
Ako yun.
so that means the heart may be too working too hard, no? Or
Mm.
probably utilizing a lot of energy from the wood element.
Mm.
Yeah. So maybe
Alam ko yan kasi mahina po kasi yung cardio ko.
okay. I'm sure
Makes sense.
some of us here are also can also relate. Okay. Those who do not respond, they can relate. Okay. Parang ako nakaka-relate. Okay. Sir Edison, what are some aspects of diagnosis related to the five elements?
Ah,
Name five.
ito ang climate siya, tapos taste, smell, sound, at saka color.
Okay, the number one is color. What color is metal?
Ah, it mostly white, Doc.
Yes, water.
Ah, water, black.
Have you seen the faces of those who are about to die?
Mm.
Kidney
Bakit
issue.
hindi pa
Grayish.
Sorry,
silver dapat, Doc?
Grayish for
grayish, grayish to black, no? So black is a sign of death. What is the sound linked to wood?
Sound. Ah, parang sumisigaw yung shouting.
Yes.
Shouting, Doc.
So if you have a patient who sounded angry, pero hindi pa pala yun, ha? Malumanay pa yun. That means
mm.
he has wood
Mm.
imbalance. What is the sound linked to fire?
Laughing. Yan,
Yes.
tumatawa.
So how many? Oh, you love to laugh. Okay, John. What is the sound
Mga
linked to
causes of
metal?
Ah, yung sound,
Metal is
weeping.
what organ, Sir Edison? Metal
Yung sa
is
metal, weeping, Doc.
no. What
Yung
organ
kwan,
is metal?
lungs.
ay,
Lungs.
hindi ko hindi ko pa na take note kanina.
Mm.
Oh,
Kailangan mo memorize the answer.
metal is lungs. So what is the sound linked to lungs? Have you heard of people na parang naiiyak yung boses?
Weeping.
Yes.
Yeah, that's something that you cannot change. Anong sound sa metal, sa lung? Listen to the
Weeping,
voice
Doc.
of Ma'am Trix.
Iiyak ko na.
You look at her skin, ano ba ang color linked to metal?
White.
Okay. For
Right.
some of
White,
us who
mabutla.
know Ma'am Trix in person, we know how to look.
Metal na metal.
I can just imagine. Okay,
Di yung
so
person.
bawal yan silang paiyakin, no? What is the sound linked to water?
Yung kwan, groaning.
Yeah, what is
Groaning sa
water? What is the water organ?
Kidneys.
Kidneys. Ano ba yan? Nawawala. Linked to wood. The smell linked to wood.
Rancid.
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 What is rancid in
Wala.
Tagalog?
Maanta.
Okay. Parang lasang cheese na bulok. Or
Mm.
lasang tuka.
Mm.
Ay, amoy suka ba? Amoy suka. Okay. Yeah, di ba? May
Ano
mga
siya, lumang-lumang oil.
May mold.
Yung na moldy. Moldy.
May mold.
What is the smell?
May alimuong yun.
Ayun.
What is the smell linked to earth? What is the earth organ, Sir Edison?
Wait.
Ano ba yan? Spleen, di ba? What is the smell linked to earth?
Fragrance, Doc.
Fragrant. Actually, it's not really fragrant. It's like bulok na apple. Fragrant na rin. So
Mm.
for some, it may...
Mabango pa din.
Well, if you are like, if you visit
Parang
a city
matamis.
whose blood sugar is very
I know
high,
na. The fragrant, it smells like maple syrup.
yeah,
Parang that.
wow.
Mm,
Yung
okay.
mabango na hindi. Yung parang, amoy maple.
Wow.
Parang malapit nang
You seem
mag-dissipate yung
you seem to be
mawala.
very close with that person. Smells like maple.
Di ba, amoy maple? May naamoy na kasi ako
Social
before
naman,
eh.
maple. Oo, ganun.
Oo nga. Pero amoy maple. May pagka-amoy maple syrup.
Okay.
Na,
So,
Oo, may
hindi,
naamoy na rin ako
amoy-amoy
ng
mo
ganyan.
ha. Hmm.
Matanda na, pero ganyan ang amoy. Tapos, wala naman siyang ibang nilagay na perfume. Kasi yung hininga niya ganun.
Okay.
pero hindi naman siya offensive smell. It's
Hindi.
amoy,
Fragrant.
amoy maple. Oo, amoy
Hindi.
maple.
Parang malapit na siya maging sweet na
Oo,
basta
na.
flowery na hindi ko maintindihan na nag-fade, ganun.
Check mo na yung pancreas, yung spleen. Okay. Sir Edison, the smell linked to metal.
Rotten sa Doc.
Okay. If you have a smoker patient, what do you think, how do you think would he smell like?
Ayun, parang nabubulok na.
Parang nabubulok na
Parang malulok.
it's isda na hindi nabenta.
Mm.
Oh, what is the smell linked to water?
Ay, sa kuan, putrid?
Putrid. Yeah.
Mm.
Have you
Pangke.
seen? Okay.
Amoy
Most
ammonia.
likely, this person is wearing diapers.
Amoy ammonia.
Oo,
Like,
ganun, ammonia.
di
Do
ba,
you want to grow
ammonia.
old smelling like smelling like urine?
Mm.
Next, let's go to emotions. Now, this is so important, no? In fact, the patients will be surprised how come you have some idea as to their ugali, no? Okay, what is the emotion linked to wood?
Anger.
Okay.
Ang galit.
Emotion linked to water.
Uh, Fear.
Yes. Sour taste will generate what? So when do
Ah,
you advise drinking sour or drinking something that is sour?
Kung sa Doc, fluids at saka yung
Okay.
yin.
The yin. So for people who have yin deficiency or dehydrated, you give them sour food. Next, let's talk about the normal relationships. What are the two normal relationships between elements?
Uh, the first one, Doc, is generating cycles. Yung Cheng. And
That's
then
what
yung
the
second one is
pronunciation
controlling
is.
cycle.
Wait lang. The pronunciation is Shang cycle. The
Sure.
yung next is the Ke. Between O
So,
and Ke. Ay,
Shang
what?
and Ke.
Ke.
Like
Ke.
Monker.
Yeah.
Monker.
Shang.
Basta between A
Monker.
and O.
Monker.
Monker.
Yeah, Monker.
So alam niyo na
Monker.
to ha.
Monker means minor.
Okay. The generating cycle is the mother and son. The controlling cycle is the grandmother and son, no? So example, water is the mother of wood. Wood is the mother of fire. So water should control the fire. So this one, kasi what will happen if the fire is uncontrolled? This will melt the metal, no? Kasi magrabe ang ano. Okay? So I hope everybody is serious about this. Now let's talk about the generating cycle. Can you elucidate this cycle, the Shang cycle, Sir Edison?
Aside sa nabasa ko kanina, Doc, itong kuan ko, Each element generates or mag-promote the next in the order uh, of the other generating cycle. So
Mm.
may lima tayo. So yung wood generates fire, tapos
Mhm.
fire generates earth, then earth generates metal, then metal generates water, then water generates wood. And then sa mother and son relationship naman, so mother generates or nourishes son.
Okay. So this is very, very important because there
Mm-mm.
is such thing as five-element constitutional acupuncture. I think I gave a copy of that ebook in one of the channels, no? Next, the controlling cycle or the coup cycle. Can you tell us more about it?
Mm, each element though controls the next in the order of the controlling cycle. So
Mhm.
you have five again. So wood controls earth, and then earth controls water,
Mm.
water controls fire, fire controls metal, and the last one is metal controls wood.
Okay, very good. So both Shang and Ke cycle are normal. They are physiological. No? Let's go now to pathological relationships. Tell us more about these four pathological relationships.
Uh, kung sa doc, abnormal siya, unhealthy, pathological relationship. So may apat tayo. So overacting, ito yung Cheng, insulting, ito yung Wu, and then mother's diseases affecting son, ito
Mhm.
yung moving disease. So the last one is son diseases, a disease affecting the mother. Ito
Okay,
yung Zibing Dimo.
okay, this is what you see, no? So when you have overacting, that means sobra, overwhelming yung isang element. So can you imagine wood over controlling the earth? So this will weaken the earth. And then here, the opposite happens. See, but normally the wood should control the earth, but this time the earth controls the wood. Why? Because the one controlling is not strong enough. Okay? So this is so important, especially if you want to learn the 4-point needle technique. Okay? So, for example, if you have um, too much of the wood element, okay? Diba? Too much wood element will weaken the earth. Hmm? What will you do? You need to what? Sedate the wood so that the controller should be stronger. Okay? You need to use the Horary point and sige, later na lang yan. Now, let's talk about the overacting or the Chang cycle. The Chang cycle. The Chang cycle.
Overacting siya. So, yung akra na doc is overacting, over controlling. So, an element over controls the element that is normally controls two
Okay.
possible reasons. So, the first reason is overacting element excessive,
Mhm.
and so the second one is overacted upon element deficient.
Okay. So the first one is the most common reason, no? Like wood is excessive. Okay. And then another would be if the one being controlled is weak. So relatively, this will become too strong, the controller. Next, what about the insulting?
So, insulting, it is an element insults the element that normally controls it in the controlling cycle. So, example niya is earth insulting wood.
Mm.
So, we have two possible reasons. So, the first one is insulting element excessive.
Mm-hmm.
And the second one is insulted element deficient.
Yes. Easy, no? Easy. Next, mother's disease affecting the child. What is it?
Uh, an element transmits its disease to the following element. So along the generating cycle, so the first deficient mother fails to nourish child become deficient.
Mm.
So the second one is excess mother transfers excess to child become excess.
Okay, so it's basically both excess and deficient. If the mother is excess or deficient, that son also becomes excess or deficient. What about child's disease affecting the mother? Mm.
So it's an element transmits the disease to the previous element in the generating cycle. So typically, child is deficient and grows excessively from the mother. Mother become deficient. So in example niya, Doc, is deficient wood flowing excessively from water, causing water to become deficient.
Very good. Yeah. What purpose does the five element theory serve in Chinese medicine?
So aside sa nabasa ko, it's apat, Doc. So number one is help explain some function of and relationship between the organs. So second, helps explain pathological changes to the organs and how those changes may affect other organs. Third, use in diagnosis of disease. And the fourth one and the last, use in treatment of disease.
Okay, so this is the reason why the 4-point needle technique is very, very effective. And I'm sure both Ma'am Trix and Madam M can attest to this, no? Okay, wood is the mother of blank and the son of blank.
Uh, uh, Wood is the mother of fire and the son of water.
Very good. Fire is the mother of blank and the son of blank.
Uh, Fire is the mother of earth and son of wood.
Earth is the mother of blank and the son of blank.
Uh, Earth is the mother of metal and the son of fire.
Metal is the mother of blank and the son of blank.
Metal is the mother of water and the son of earth.
Great. Water is the mother of blank and the son of blank.
Uh, Water is the mother of wood. The sun is
And the son
the
of,
son of
oh, ano ba yan? Sige na. Metal. Okay. Okay. Briefly describe the Ke or restraining controlling cycle.
so sa nabasa ko kanina, Tugwan mother at saka son relationship.
Okay. Fire controls what?
Metal lock.
Metal controls what?
Controls wood.
Wood controls.
Wood controls earth.
Great. Earth controls.
Earth controls water.
And water controls.
Water controls fire.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Edison. Good job. Very good job. Medyo parang na-confuse ka na late towards the latter part, but it's okay. More power. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Next, let's call on somebody from Bacolod, a very illustrious, very diligent student, Sir Joe Bell. Are you there, Sir Joe Bell? Yes, that's
Yes, Doc. Good morning,
okay.
everyone.
Let's continue. What do you mean by over-controlling?
One phase organ, one control, and overwhelm the phase organ is normally restrained.
Yes. Describe what happens when the wood overwhelms the earth, or describe the pathology of wood overwhelming the earth.
Tightness, pain, stuck, and digestive issue, Doc.
Okay. So if you have these symptoms, no, the pattern would be, this is the 5-phase pathology, huh? Food overwhelms the earth. What about earth overwhelms water pathology?
Water restrictions, both dam and increase blockages accumulation.
Great. Water overwhelming the fire pathology.
Congestive heart failure, blood stasis,
Okay. Fire overwhelms metal pathology.
basement, um, fire overwhelm metal pathology, heat affecting lungs and large intestine, ulcerative colitis,
Okay. You also have
dito ka man ayo kay ga
okay. Metal overwhelms wood pathology. Remember, metal
too much construct
Hmm. There will also be depression.
the movements of liver and gallbladder, disability or depression.
What insulting?
One case slash organ abnormally rebels against the case slash organ that is normally restrains.
Okay. Example of wood rebels against the metal.
Coughing with blood, large intestine slash lungs issue, constipation.
Fire rebels against water pathology.
With blood.
Fire rebelling against water. Diba supposedly water,
Inflammation, doc.
inflammation. Earth rebelling against wood.
Overwhelming labor, jaundice, lesion,
Metal rebels against fire.
Blood stasis, pollution, constructions of blood vessels, shortness of breath.
Water rebels against earth pathology.
Flooding, edema, abdominal swelling, diarrhea.
What organ should be tonified or boosted at the end of each season, especially winter?
Tonified and boosted at the end of seasons. Stomach and spleen, doc.
Okay, that's why you should never forget to tonify the stomach and spleen. Which two organs are on a vertical axis represents the relationship to yin and yang theory or mutual consumption?
Yes.
Answer.
Kidney and heart, doc.
Good. Which element and organ is the foundation or starting point of all other organs?
Water and kidney.
Yeah, of course. What do kidney and heart represent?
Fire and water balance, relationships to yin and yang theory, mutual consumptions, mental and emotional health.
Okay. What does the fire represent mentally?
Mind and spirit consciousness.
The Shen, no? What does water represent mentally?
Willpower, Doc. Chi.
What organ is water?
What organ?
Hello? Excuse me. Water, anong organ?
Kidney.
Of course. What happens when there is disharmony and the fire is weak?
What retention or weak.
Impulsive
Siyempre, Doc, pag
behavior.
walang power. Walang
So what are you going to do with this patient?
yes. Or
Somebody who is reckless or reckless driving, impulsive behavior. What are you going to do? What will you tonify?
tonify the fire or
Of course, the heart. No? What happens when water is weak? Anong organ ba ang water?
kidney.
Okay, what happens when the kidney is weak?
Depression, cloudy thoughts, and slow. Parang
Have you
hindi
seen
klaro.
Have you seen people who walk too slow?
Oo.
Parang wala tayong pag-asa mabuhay. Okay. Why is spleen in center?
And nourishes all other organs and provide chi to organs.
Of course, siya nagpo-provide ng chi. What organ does the spleen support to make blood?
Heart.
Yes. What does the generating sequence display?
Balance or harmony of physiology.
Okay.
Of physiology.
What happens when there is an imbalance to the generating sequence?
Deficiency and excess, Doc.
Okay. From the pulse, when do you say na deficiency based on the pulse? Is it weak or forceful yung pulse? Weak or forceful ang deficiency?
Pag deficient, simply mahina, Doc.
Okay.
At saka yung excess, superficial.
Okay, what is an example? Give an example of deficiency between elements.
Wood fails to nourish sun or fire.
Kulang ang wood, so walang fire.
Like
it's a very classic example. What is an example of excess between elements?
Water draws from metal.
Okay. What does it mean when there is deficiency between elements?
Mother fails to nourish sun.
What does it mean when there is excess between elements?
Sun draws too much energy from mother.
In case of deficiency, how do you treat it?
Tonify the mother.
Okay. Okay. Let's give you an example. You check the heart pulse of the patient and it's so weak. What are you going to do? What will you tonify?
Tonify the mother organ or liver if the heart is weak.
So who is the mother of heart?
Liver.
Liver.
Okay, what is the tonifying point? Ay, wala pa pala tayo. Sorry.
Yung
point of the liver is liver 8.
Liver.
Yes,
Yes.
exciting. In case of excess,
Oo.
excess yung heart, anong gagawin mo? How do you treat it? The excess, grabe yung excess ng heart. Very bounding.
Oo.
What are you going to do?
Sedate.
Who will you sedate?
Sedate the child organ.
Who is the...
Lever 3.
Uy, wait lang. Uy, wait lang.
Wait lang. Wait
Sino
lang.
yung child ng heart?
Spleen.
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 So what is the sedating point of the spleen? Okay. Never mind. Spleen 5. Okay. Wag na. So you will ask the spleen to slow down on producing blood, no? Kasi excess na nga yung heart eh. Make sense? Oh. Oh, diba? Especially if you do it on the ear. That's why for those who got all the channels, I hope you find time to really look for that chart on the 5 elements. Andun na lahat. Huh? You laminate it. The others, they just buy the channel, but they don't even read it. What does the controlling sequence mean? O paulit-ulit. Sir Jobel.
Its elements control one another and it's also controlled by one. It ensures balance and maintained among the 5 elements, similar to checks and balances. Example, grandparent controls the child.
Okay, is the controlling sequence physiological or pathological?
Physiological.
Is it normal or is it abnormal?
Normal.
Normal. Just
Normal.
Normal. Okay, what does the sequence overacting or over-controlling mean?
One element becomes too strong and attack onto another. Slots become too weak and it's being acted by another.
Okay, is overacting abnormal or normal? Abnormal.
Overacting.
Which sequence follows the same as controlling?
Overacting, controlling.
Okay. Explain the sequence for insulting.
Elements rebels against the controller. One element becomes too strong and counteracts. Grandkids looking back to grandparent.
Is this true? Oh, yung lumalaban sa mga lolo. Which 2 5-element sequences denote balance of physiology o yung sinatawag na healthy?
Generating and control, Doc. Generating and
Which
control.
are the 4 ways each element can be imbalanced?
Excess, deficiency, overacts, and insults.
Great. What is the effect and function of sour taste on the body? If you eat a lot of... Yeah.
Generates fluid and DNA, is astringent and can control perspiration and diarrhea.
So this is the reason why you have to eat something sour. You have to drink something sour if you have too much perspiration and LBM. Okay?
Yeah.
That's why no brand. Eat something sour. Next. How does the taste of bitter affect the body?
Clears hate, sedates, and hardens. Clears them hate and subdues rebelliously.
What effect and function does sweet have on the body?
Tonifies, balances, moderates. It is used to
Yeah. It tonifies deficiency and it can stop pain. O, di ba? But if you eat too much sweet, this will also affect your muscles. Which taste scatters and is used to expel pathogenic factors. That is why this is always important when you get sick, no? Like you have fever and chills. That's why we're always advised to eat, to drink something what? Anong taste?
Pungent
Yeah.
taste or flavor.
What effect and function does salt
Pungent.
have on the body?
Close downward, soften hardness, used to treat constipation and swelling.
Mm. A person who is prone to outbursts
Yes.
of anger is an imbalance
It's
of which
salty.
element?
Wood.
The negative effect of excess
Wood.
joy is a migraine attack. Which element is associated with joy?
Elements of fire.
Pensiveness or overconcentration is related to which element?
Earth or spleen.
Excess of our thinking faculties and study. So, ibig sabihin, too much thinking, too much studying. That's why we don't meet every day. What will happen?
Magkaroon ng spleen deficiency, Doc.
Okay. Grief or sadness and worry is related to which organ and symptom?
Nag-epekto po siya sa lungs at saka or lung chi deficiency.
How will you know na may lung chi deficiency ang pasyente? Ano yung complaint niya?
Ano yun? Sad.
Hindi. Okay, sige. Shortness of breath. Everything is with an effort, no? Madali na pawisan. Madaling pawisin. Because the lung controls the Wei Qi, which closes the pores. Anxiety and fear is related to which organ and symptom?
Kidney and kidney deficiency po.
Okay. Sour taste indicates what?
Liver disharmonies.
Yes. Bitter taste indicates what pattern?
Heart fire.
Sweet taste indicates
spleen deficiency.
Pungent taste indicates
lung disharmonies.
Salty taste
indicates kidney deficiency.
Tendons are tight and stiff indicates which disharmony. Example, a patient came to you, stiff and tight yung tendons niya. No, ganon. What comes into your mind right away?
Liver agad.
Meron siyang liver or gallbladder disharmony, Doc.
Very good. Do you have a lot of patients who come to you because of stiff joints? Hindi mabukas yung... Yeah. Okay?
Mga kamay niya, mga joints. Nahihirapan.
Tapos nagpapamasahe tapos hindi matanggal-tanggal.
Oo. Kaya now, pwede nyo nang tanggalin, tusukin nyo lang sa tenga.
Tusukin na lang.
Ay nako, this one, I think I had a very happy patient. She was amazed, di ba may finger point dyan, plus liver and heart. Because she has a heart issue. Meron siyang maintenance. So, obviously, if the heart is affected din yung liver. She was very happy. She was amazed. Yes. Ear lang. Huh? And you will have more clients. Sir Edison, take note. There is nobody else there who knows how to do this. Di ba, Madam M? Baka time will come, ayaw na yun mag-massage, kakapagod na.
Oo, pag matanda na, wala na, mahirap na.
See? Effort lang. Nasa ano na tayo, week 7. Ilan na lang, malapit na mag-24.
Oo.
Bilis. Okay, problems with blood vessels indicate which imbalance?
Or
Sir,
fire imbalance, Doc.
yeah, heart or
Blood.
fire. Weakness or atrophy of the muscles. Nangunguluntoy na yung mga muscle. Ano? Yeah, anong imbalance?
Spleen.
Yes.
Earth deficiency.
Clean is earth, no? Spontaneous sweating. Nagsusweat even if it's not mainit. Then skin disorders. What are you
Lung weak or
you tonify the
deficiency siguro.
lung. Yeah. Bone degenerative diseases occur in old age, such as osteoporosis. What does this indicate?
Kidney is declining. Baba na yung calcium niya.
Blurred vision indicates
Liver deficiency. Hindi
problem with the
magandang
tongue.
supply ng
Problem with the tongue indicates
heart, Doc.
yes, heart problem. Mouth and lips problem indicates
Spleen deficiency or stomach hit.
dry nose or sneezing.
Dry nose. Lung dryness or deficiency of the lungs.
Decrease
The
in
lungs.
hearing or chronic tinnitus indicates
Indicates kidney deficiency, Doc.
okay, they always go together, deafness and tinnitus. Sensitivity to wind indicates
Disharmony in mood or liver.
feels much worse pag mainit.
Which indicates heat disharmony.
Heart.
Heart.
Heart siya.
O heart.
Okay, ayaw na
Heart
mainit.
disharmony.
Ayaw na mainit. Heart
Oh.
lang. Heaviness sensation.
Dampness affecting the spleen.
Dry skin or nose
Dampness.
injures what?
Your lungs.
Okay, so make sure your skin is not dry or your nose is not dry. Dapat yung nose natin hindi tuyo, no? Okay. Stiffness or pain of joint in cold weather weakens which organ? Pag malamig, nagre-complain na masakit joints. Huh?
Kidney, organ.
Yes, kidneys.
Kidney.
So did you open your channel now?
Kidneys.
Tingnan mo doon yung for the pain, for the tonification point of the kidney. Kidney 7, kidney 3. Okay. Excess sour taste can affect mahilig sa
The
maasim.
nerves and upset the liver. The nerves and upset the liver. Use sparingly if a person suffers from chronic pain.
So you are not allowed to eat to have too much suka if you are having chronic pain. If you have issues with the liver and nerves, no?
Ito pala yung kilawing liver.
Yeah.
Yung kilawing atay.
Oo, hindi naman masarap. Sa tingin mo, maluluto yung kilawin pag hindi maasim. So pag hindi rin maluto, okay. Excess bitter taste should be avoided, but by what kind of patient?
Bone disease po.
Okay. So can you
Pag may
drink?
bone issues,
Will you advise
bawal po.
patient to drink brewed coffee every day?
Hindi.
Okay. Should be avoided.
Makes sense po.
Hindi po pwede kasi.
Makes sense po kasi
Mga
yung
diuretic
bitter, for
siguro.
example, coffee. Diuretic kasi yun eh.
Oo. Yeah.
Diuretic and
Diuretic.
since ang bones kasi governed by kidneys is water. So,
Yes, makes sense.
Yes.
So it's basically the kidneys that are affected, di ba?
Then,
Yun. Kasi mag-off balance siya. So, the kidney and heart. Oh. Excess sweet
or
can cause
magpatititi. Excess sweet can cause weak to the muscle.
weakness to the muscle. And lastly, pungent taste should be avoided by someone who has,
Chi deficiency.
yeah, so bawal ang pungent taste sa mga wala ng What is this classic sign of chi deficiency?
weakness.
Yes.
Fatigue.
Doc?
Kulang sa energy, di ba? Fatigue,
Weakness.
weakness. Yan,
But-
everything is with an effort. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. I know this is too fast,
Mm.
but don't worry, I'm going to give the answers later sa ano.
Buntik
Sa
nang
channel.
matakal yung 4 points.
We're going to do that during the during the treatment principle as mga points. Okay? So next week, next Tuesday, we're going to discuss the vital substances. Ano yung chi, ano yung blood, ano yung jing, what else? The body fluids. Yun. Okay? So, excited? So, 8 na tayo next week. Thank you so much. And
Thank you, Doc.
see you in a while.